Both in industry and in the home, an air compressor plays a very important role. In a very basic way, we will see how an air compressor works. Usually, they have a big piece of pipework called a cylinder, with a piston inside, driven by a crankshaft and a connecting rod. A couple of automatic valves complete the items needed for our explanation. Firstly, the compressor piston begins to move downward into the cylinder. This creates a partial vacuum, and the atmospheric pressure opens the inlet valve, shown here in green. As the piston goes down, the cylinder is filled with atmospheric air. This results in an entire cylinder filled with air at ambient pressure. When the crankshaft completes half a revolution, the piston begins to go upwards again. The pressure generated inside the cylinder, in addition to a spring mounted on the valve, not shown, close the inlet valve which, as we just said, is shown in green. The cylinder pressure increases and this opens the automatic outlet valve, shown in red. The piston reaches the top of its stroke, pushing the air the cylinder contains through the outlet valve to a storage tank. When the piston reaches its maximum upper position, the outlet valve closes again. The cycle repeats itself and the pressure becomes higher and higher inside the storage tank. A special sensor mounted on the tank senses the pressure and shuts off the compressor driving motor. Whenever the pressure drops in the tank, either due to air usage or leakage, the sensor will restart the motor. The lubrication of the compressor is carried out by means of a certain amount of oil contained in the compressor oil pan, and also by lubricating devices placed in the air inlet pipe to maintain a suspension of oil droplets to lubricate the valves and the inside of the cylinder. There is also a transparent filter where moisture accumulates to be drained periodically, thus preventing it from entering the compression chamber. This is roughly the way a basic compressor works. I hope this video is useful to you. Thanks for watching and please subscribe to my channel.